Hi guys, I'm Neta and this is a WeChat tutorial. WeChat always has new updates. In this video, I would like to share with you 3 amazing, cool features of WeChat. Stay tuned because the last one is my favorite. Let's start! Want to tickle or nudge your friends on WeChat? This is an easy way to catch an attention from someone. Firstly, open your WeChat and click on Chats. Then choose a chat. Then click on the profile picture of the person you would like to nudge. The picture will rotate. This means this person has been nudged. You will get a notice that you nudged him. In fact, if you do it in a group chat, all the other members in the chat will also get a message that someone has been nudged. This is both fun and annoying, like real nudge and tickle. Try this out with your friends. You want to send a long message to your friends but hate to type? I will teach you a trick how to save your time by transforming your voice into text. Click on Chats, then choose a chat. From there, go to the text bar. Then click on the plus sign on your right side. Select the microphone image with the title Voice Input. You can choose the language you would like to record out of 3: English, Mandarin or Cantonese. Finally, record your message by holding the microphone icon until you finish to record your message. 大家好，早上好，今天怎么样? The widget just transformed your record into a text. This is so great! Chinese people love stickers. I will teach you a great trick to make your own animated selfie sticker. A great chance to be creative. From the main menu, click on Chats. Then choose a chat. You can see your text bar below. Tap on the smiling face. Then go to the 2 fingers doing victory sign. Under the fingers icon, there is a camera icon. Click on it. Now it will make you a selfie. Hi. So now I just need to choose a filter. I will go through the filters until I find something that I like. No, what are you doing? Oh, I like this very much. I would like to show you something funny. So continue until you want something that you like. I will go to the 3 dots to see more options. And I would like to share with you funny filter, very funny filter. This one is my favorite. Let's continue. And I will choose something that I like. Maybe a melon ad or maybe a panda ad. They ask me to do finger art. It's very funny. It's very interactive. I will choose the sunglasses. Okay, so after choosing this, I will press OK. And you have a button of camera shooting, so press on it until you want to stop, because it's stickers, so it have animation. So press on it and do some funny motion. And this is it. Now you can add it to your stickers, and you have another very nice option to do another sticker. Inside the finger you have the camera. Press on the camera to make another selfie sticker. Now let me show you another funny trick. So I will choose this one, the classic one, and I will move with this. After I finished, I will do add or retake. I can do it a bit fast mode. And I can do past sticker. That way I will combine 2 stickers or more stickers together. So let's paste this sticker on my old sticker. And now I have 2 stickers together. I will do V. Let's wait a bit until it's finished and then I will show you the result. Here it is. This is very nice, and this is a great way to make your own sticker, and you can combine it all to one funny sticker. I have a question for you. How many times can you change your WeChat ID? You can change your WeChat ID once in a year. Up until now, you could have changed it only once in a lifetime. So that's good news. Hope you liked this tutorial. Have a great day. 再见!